इयत्ता 8वी गणित मॅथ्स. आजचा आपला घटक आहे क्षेत्रफळ, एरिया. So Heron's formula. This is a triangle ABC. Let BC equal to A, AC equal to B, and AB equal to C. So semi-perimeter of this triangle will be equal to S, will be equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. And with the help of three sides given, we can find the area of the triangle with Heron's formula. So Heron's formula is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So with the help of this formula, we can find area of the triangle. One more example, we will try this. एका त्रिकोणाच्या बाजू 45 सेमी, 39 सेमी व 42 सेमी आहेत, तर त्या त्रिकोणाचे क्षेत्रफळ काढा. A is equal to 45 centimeter, B is equal to 39 centimeter, and C is equal to 42 centimeter. We want to find area of this triangle. Okay. Now, three sides are given. Therefore, first of all, we will find out semi-perimeter. अर्ध परिमिती आपण पहिले काढणार आहोत. सूत्र लिहा. Semi-perimeter is equal to S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. आता किमती घालूया. A म्हणजेच 45 अधिक 39, B म्हणजे 39 अधिक C 42 upon 2. ऍडिशन करूया आपण याची. बेरीज करा. किती आली? 126. 9 अधिक 10, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, plus 3, 8, plus 4, 12. So 126 upon 2, dividing by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. Therefore, semi-perimeter will be equal to 63. Okay? इथपर्यंत आपण आलेलो आहोत. आता आपल्याला क्षेत्रफळ काढण्यासाठी हेरॉनचा फॉर्म्युला वापरावा लागेल. Now, A is equal to 45 centimeter, B is equal to 39 centimeter, and C is equal to 42 centimeter. S, we have calculated, it is 63 centimeter. Okay. Now, using Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. Putting the values of S and ABC accordingly will be equal to under root S is 63 into 63 minus 45 into 63 minus 39 into 63 minus 42. Now 63 minus 45, calculate this. How much it is? 13 minus 5, 8, that is 18. 63 minus 39, 13 minus 9, 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, that is 24. And 63 minus 42, this will be equal to 3 minus 2, 1, 6 minus 4, 1, 2, 21. Okay. Therefore, 63 into 18 into 24 into 21. Right? Now, next step, what we have to do? We have to factorize these numbers. We have to split this number, that is 63. Now 63 we can write it as 7 9s are 63. Okay, will be equal to 7 into 9. 18 we can write it as 9 2s are 18. 24 we can write it as 8 3s are 24. And 21 we can write it as 7 3s are 21. Okay. Now, what we are doing? Writing similar numbers together. So 7 into 7, this 7, 7, 2 times. Then 9, 9, 2 times. 8 into 2, that is 16. See here, 8 2s are 16. And 3 into 3. Okay. Next, that will be equal to 7 square into 9 square into 8 to the 16 is 4 square into 3 square. Taking square root will be equal to 7 into 9 into 4 into 3. Okay. After multiplying, we will get 7 9s are 63. So 63 into 4. So 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 6 4s are 25. 24 plus 1, that is 25 into 3. So 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Therefore, the answer will be 756. Right? So, area of this triangle will be equal to 756 square centimeter. तर अशा प्रकारे वर्गमूळ काढताना थोडंसं आपल्याला संख्यांची जुळवाजुळव करून घ्यावी लागेल. वर्गमुळात त्या संख्या कशा येतील त्याप्रमाणे आपल्याला बघावं लागतील आणि त्यानुसार नंतर आपण त्या संख्यांची अरेंजमेंट करून वर्गमूळ त्याचं घेतलं आणि गुणाकार करून आपण उत्तर काढलेलं आहे 756 स्क्वेअर सेंटीमीटर. तर अशा प्रकारे दिलेल्या त्रिकोणाच्या बाजूंच्या मापांवरून आपण त्रिकोणाचं क्षेत्रफळ काढू शकतो. आकृतीत दाखवलेली मापे लक्षात घ्या व चौकोन QRS चे क्षेत्रफळ काढा. आकृतीचं निरीक्षण करा. माप दिलेली आहेत. आपल्याला या चौकोनाचं क्षेत्रफळ काढायचं आहे. Look at the measures shown in the adjacent figure and find the area of quadrilateral PQRS. First of all, observe the figure carefully. This is the quadrilateral APQRS. Right? Now, as you see in the figure, there are two triangles. Right? So, area of this quadrilateral PQRS will be equal to area of triangle PSR plus area of triangle PQR. Okay. Now coming to triangle PSR. In triangle PSR, what, as you see, this is a right angle triangle, right? Measure of angle PSR is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree and therefore triangle PSR is a right angle triangle. Now PS is equal to 36 meter. SR is 15 meter. We want to find area of this triangle PSR. Now coming to triangle PQR. What is given? PQ is 56 meter. QR is 25 meter. Now here height is not given. Similarly, the third side is not given. So we want to find length PR. So PR is equal to how much? And area of triangle PQR. So for finding area of triangle PQR, we have to use Heron's formula. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी हेरॉनच्या फॉर्म्युलाचा सूत्राचा उपयोग करावा लागणार आहे. पहिले आपण PSR कडे जाऊया आणि नंतर आपल्याला काढायचंय चौकोनाचं क्षेत्रफळ. Now in triangle PSR, it is a right angle triangle. Therefore, area of triangle PSR is equal to half into product of sides forming the right angle. 1/2 गुणिले काटकोन करणाऱ्या बाजूंचा गुणाकार. काटकोन करणाऱ्या बाजू कोणत्या आहेत? PS आणि SR is equal to half into length SR, that is base, into length PS, which is height. Okay, these are the sides forming right angle. SR is given, PS is given. Putting the values is equal to half into 15 into 36. Dividing by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Will be equal to 15 into 18, and which will be equal to, see here, 18 into 15, 15 8s are 120, carry 12, 15 ones are 15 plus 12, that is 27. So the answer will be 270 square meter, because this is given in meter, right? See, this is in meter, therefore the unit will be 270 square meter. Now area of triangle PSR finish. Area of triangle PSR is equal to 270 square meter. Now next, in triangle PQR, PQ is given 56, QR is given 25. We want to find PR. So PR equal to how much? And with the help of this area of triangle PQR. Now here three sides. We want to find third side. And next, using Heron's formula, we want to find area of triangle PQR. Now, as you see in triangle PSR, measure of angle PSR is 90 degree, right? So this is right angle triangle. So this is base and this is height. So right angle triangle and PR is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So using Pythagorean theorem, we can find out the length PR. Okay. So by Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse square, that is PR square, will be equal to PS square plus SR square. PS and SR is given. Putting the values, length PR square equal to 36 square plus 15 square. Now 36 square, multiply 36 into 36. So we will get it as 1296 plus 15 square is 225. Adding this 1296 plus 225, 6 plus 5 11, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, plus 2 12, again carry 1, this is 2 to 4 plus 1 5 and 1, so 1521. So length PR square is equal to 1521. Now taking square root of both the sides, length PR equal to square root 1521. Now we want to find the square root of this number. वर्गमूळ काढूया. 1521 चं वर्गमूळ. Now see here, 1 plus 5 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. So this is divisible by 3. Dividing by 3. 3 5s are 15. 0 3 7s are 21. So 507. Again 7 plus 5 12. This is divisible by 3. So dividing by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. And 3 9s are 27. 169. Now 169 is 13 square. Therefore dividing by 13. 13 13s are 169. 13 1s are 13. So 13 into 3 and 13 into 3. So length PR is equal to 39 square. 13 3s are 39. 39 square. And therefore length PR is equal to 39 meter. Okay. Now in triangle PQR, PQ is there, QR is there, PR is there. So PR is 39 meter. Triangle PQR, A equal to 56, B is equal to 25 and C is equal to 39 meter. First we will find out semi-perimeter. AC is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, which will be equal to 56 plus 25 plus 39 upon 2. Adding this, 6 plus 5 11 plus 9 20, carry 2, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7 plus 5 12. So 120 upon 2. Okay. Dividing by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12 and 0. So S is equal to 60 meter. S we got it, that is 60 meter, semi-perimeter. S is equal to 60 meter. Now A, B, C is there. S we have calculated 60 meter. Using Heron's formula, area of triangle PQR equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now S is 60. Putting the values will be equal to 60 into 60 minus 56, 60 minus 25 into 60 minus 39. Now 60 minus 56 is 4. This is, so it will be equal to 60 into 4 into 35 into 21. आता आपल्याला याचे फॅक्टर्स करायचे आहेत. सो here 60, here it is 4. Therefore 60 is 15 4s are 60. Again 3 5s are 15. 15 into 4. 35 4 as it is. 35 7 into 5 and 21 7 into 3. So see here 3 3 7 7 5 5 and 4 4. Getting pairs, in pairs numbers we are getting pairs will be equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 4 into 4 into 7 into 7 is equal to 3 square into 5 square into 4 square into 7 square will be equal to, taking square root, 3 into 5 into 4 into 7. Multiplying these, 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60, 60 into 7 is 420. Therefore, the area of triangle PQR is 420 square meter. Okay. Now, area of triangle PSR we have calculated. Area of triangle PQR we have calculated. Now, area of quadrilateral PQRS. Area of quadrilateral PQRS equal to area of triangle PSR plus area of triangle PQR will be equal to area of triangle PSR is 270, area of triangle PQR is 420. Therefore, area of quadrilateral PQRS will be equal to 270 plus 420. Adding this, we will get answer 690 square meter. Therefore, area of quadrilateral PQRS is 690 square meter. So in this way, we can find out the area of the given figure. Observe the figures carefully and then try to find out the areas. So, dear friends, try to solve as many problems as you can and practice this. Thank you.